So we have here is malay tikka, chicken kebab, and chicken tikka. Diba? It's very nice. And this is my vegetable. Ay, thank you. This is ketchup. This is vegetable rice. Ta-da! This is chicken tikka. Very soft.
Yan.
It's like the chicken that they are using here is like fresh. This is
Parang na-blend yung lahat yan.
And we have here also chicken tikka.
Ayun pa. I like it. You call it. And
But I think the chicken karahi there is more more tasty. I like that one.
Because everyone they have to travel.
This vegetable fried rice is having a carrots, capsicum, and cabbage. Di ba? Sarap. Perfect. Zabardas. Zabardas, Pakistan.
Yes.
Acha hai? Acha?
Yes, yes.